All right, let's look at this. This is number 11. So we've got three brothers, Jim, Dave, and Conrad, and they agree to distribute profits and losses. And so if the capital investments are in a ratio of 30, 40, 50, okay, so that's for each person. So 30 for Jim, 40 for Dave, and 50 for Conrad. So I'll write that right now. So we've got 30, 40, and 50. And then I'm just going to write down Jim, Dave, and Conrad. So that's all I'm writing now. How will the total? All right, so prorated question. So that means I'm adding another colon here, and I'm going to add these ratios together. So 30 plus 40 plus 50, I've got 120. So that's my total ratios equals. Now I'm just going to use those letters, J, D, and C for Jim, Dave, and Conrad. And of course, the next colon, which is our total colon, so $28,000. So $28,000 is going to be split between those three people. So I'm just going to set up my three ratios. We're doing this question 3 times. Again, I'm going to just do it, set it up all at once because it makes life easier for me. So 30 is going to go with J. Now, remember, I can't use any other different letters. So I got to look. I'm going to match the fourth one with the fourth one. That's which one I'm going to reuse over and over again. So 120 over 28,000. And now I'll set up the other two guys. So we've got 40 over D. And same one, ratio of 120 over 28,000, total with total. And then I'll set up the third one. So it's 50 over C. And then I'll do another total with total. Okay, now we cross multiply. Move it up. So we've got 120J equals, so 28,000 times 30, which is 840,000. Okay, I'll just do the next one. So 120 goes with D, and we've got 40 multiplied with 28,000. So we've got 112 and then 4 zeros. 4, so that looks like it's 1,120,000. 100,000. Okay, and then we've got 120C equals 50 times 28,000. All right, so 14 0, and then I've got 4 more zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squish it in there. All right, so we're just going to divide. So we're going to divide both sides by 120 each time. We'll cross it off. 120, 120. All right, and we're just going to get out our calculator so we can solve each one. So J, let's see. So be careful here. I sometimes find people put in the wrong numbers. So 123 divided by 120. So I've got 7,000. I'll show you a trick to see if you did it right. So 1, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3 divided by 120. So I've got $9,333.33. Okay, we're dealing with money, so that's okay. 2 decimal places since we're dealing with money. 120. So the last one is we got $11,666, and since I'm rounding it, 67 cents. Okay, so the part where I was going to tell you how you can kind of check if you've more or less did it right, add these three answers together. So I got 7,000 plus $9,333.33 plus 11,666 plus 67 equals, and that number should be the total for the money. It is. I got $28,000. Perfect, because the total should be $28,000. Now, if sometimes in other questions you could be off by like a penny or so, that would just be due to rounding. I wouldn't worry about it. And that's it.